Planting the strawberries out. Now this is quite a critical operation. These are coir bags and they can be quite firm because it's a rehydrated solid block. So what you do is you puff them up a bit like a pillow, get it nice and soft. Make a hole in with your fingers so you can get the plant in there. Push it in well. And you want it so it's just actually slightly proud of the hole. So there's just maybe 12 mil or so of the original pot showing out at the surface of the hole.
And one of the good things actually about these plug plants, these nice tray plants, is that by the end of the growing season they tend to pull themselves down a bit into the bags, whereas the bare root plants, the 60-day plants that people used to use mainly a few years ago, they tend to stand a bit proud, which makes them more vulnerable to damage over winter and the annoying habit of getting new crowns sitting out on the polythene.
That's the one.
The other important thing to do with these bags is to actually make sure that they are wetted up before you plant them. And you might have to actually just put trickle irrigation on them for a couple of days to just steadily rehydrate them, and that will help to fluff them up. And in some cases, because these haven't normally got any feed on board to begin with, as you're putting in, if you imagine you're planting these in April or May, you know, the roots want to start growing away straight away and the foliage as well. You might need to put some feed in, you know, with the irrigation so that they're ready to go straight away. That's not so important at this time of the year because we're only in the end of February.
And the last thing of all is to pop in the trickle.
And turn it on and make sure it's working.
Okay.